Cool morning in October, actually very warm for this October. We've had into the 80s and 90s. I think the record Byron Fegg figured out was 105. So much for global warming, because that was early 1900s. What year was that, you remember?
What?
Record temperature?
1905.
1905, it was 105. So maybe we're getting cooler. Anyway, it doesn't matter to me. We got to function no matter what. So what my job is on this particular adventure, and maybe something you can pick up from it, is to take two 2-inch lines that go from grinder pump. Septic tank as a reservoir, and these are grinder pumps that grind up the sewer and pump up these 2-inch lines. And there's a squirrel as an audience. We are trying to carry a path up the hill to the distribution boxes that were made there originally. So we're making this path not only for our use when we use the trencher, but we're calling 811 to check and make sure there's no fiber optics, no phone lines, no gas lines and things like that. So our adventure is to mark it, clear it, mark it, and then have them come out and locate anything that we might be going across, so I don't hit it with a trencher, or we don't hit it with a trencher. And we're going to go that direction. So if you see all that right there, that's what we're going to make a path through. All right.